I'm pressing it, nothing, but it works perfectly fine, but it doesn't show up. There's 3 problems with this, 2 very common. First being, you've been smashing your controller, throwing at the walls, and it has somehow unplugged one of the cables. The second reason is, you've opened your controller, tried to fix something inside, but didn't plug the things back to the way they're meant to be. And third reason is, which is highly unlikely, there is something wrong with the lights, which I have no idea how, but yeah. Okay, let's not waste any more time and let's fix this problem. So grab your controller. As you can see, I have mine here. Still not working. You just want to open your controller up. And as you can see, it's hard to see. Main thing you gotta worry about, hold on, sorry. This is the main thing you gotta worry about right there. So what you want to do is, for my case, I've put it upside down, so it's not meant to be like that. I will show you. See these gold pins? I wonder if you can see that focus there. See this? It has to be, that gold pins, well not pins, gold, whatever, has to be facing that way. Like this. There. Make sure the gold is facing that way, and the blue side, whoops, is facing towards that way. Hopefully you guys understand, and as you can see already, the light's working. Pop it back into place. The light's on and it works. So yeah, that's how you fix it. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Peace.